Alright guys, first and foremost, my vehicle wrap was only $1,200. This is a 3/4 wrap, and it was done by Empire Graphics out of Hampstead, North Carolina. They did extremely well on it, and it's already paid for itself. So coming down to the old rig, definitely some upgrades are going to happen this season. What I got going on now is I'm running a 12 volt, 5.5 gallon per minute pump. And in there I have the charger and just the battery, and all I do is I clip these on, and here's my on and off switch. And I'm running 200 feet of Flexzilla 1/2-inch hose. It works really well. My proportioner went out on me, so I rigged it up to go back to batch mixing until my new proportioner comes in. So all I do, guys, is what I do is I take the dipstick, put it in the bleach tank, and then I have a separate line. I'm going to show you guys this. That connects right here, and it goes directly into my batch tank. And then I take that off and connect my hose after I pre-mix. So it works pretty well, even though it is batch mixing. I have my homemade 18-inch gun. I got the parts from Home Depot, and I got the tip from Amazon. Very simple, very easy to use, works really well, no leaks. And how I have this set up, my plumbing for my hose reels, I have 200 foot of garden hose, 200 feet of pressure washing hose. Of course, I got a DN10 ball valve, stainless steel quick connect. And how I have it here, guys, is my downstream injector connected to this PVC. I'll just stick this in there, and then whenever I want to turn it off, I'll just turn the ball valve. Now, guys, for this season, because I don't want to use such a hot mix, even though I'm just only simply downstreaming, I'm setting up a two-way, and I'll make a video of that the downstream injector connects to the bleach tank and the water tank, so it's going to pull 50-50. Because, you know, guys, whenever it's really hot outside, you really don't need a strong mix. So I'm going to be pulling 50-50 of that downstream. And how I have my plumbing here, and I've already tested this. I wouldn't encourage it, but it can, you can do it. So I can run my it's a 4 gallon a minute Honda GX 390 with a cat pump. You can run that and fill up your tank at the same time. Like I said, I don't really advise to do it, but it can be done. And of course, I have the ball valve connected here so I can drain the tank when I'm done. So it's a very simple setup, guys, and it works very well. The only cons to this trailer are the small tires, and these are new tires. I've only had them a few months, and they're already starting to wear thin. So like I said, we are getting a complete new trailer here this season sometime. We are going to upgrade to an 8 gallon a minute, bigger trailer, bigger tanks, and that kind of thing. And up here, guys, I just have the extension ladder. I believe it's 24 foot, if I'm not mistaken. I can't really remember. Don't quote me on it. And then I got my broom, and I got a brush. And guys, back here, moving on, I made this little skid because I got so tired of everything moving around. So I got the gas tank here and have my kid right on there. That's one of the reasons why I use that block right there. I have a 16-inch surface cleaner that goes well with the 4 gallon a minute. Works extremely well. I used to have a 20-inch, but I had to walk really slow, and I had the casters on it, and I absolutely hated the casters. So I downgraded. I say downgraded, but it's really upgraded to a 16-inch, and it works really good. Ran into Lowe's. I ran out of bark the other day, so I had some rust on some vinyl. And guys, this works extremely well if you have a Lowe's in your area. Rust Aid Outdoor, made by Goof Off. If you're just doing simple irrigation stain or rust off of vinyl, light rust, this worked just fine. It's only $10 a gallon, so I picked up some extra in case I ever run out of bark again. And what I was saying about the pump earlier, this right here, this is what is attached to my 200 feet. so I have to pull everything off to connect it. But all I do, guys, is I connect this right here and pull these forward, and that clamps it in, and that goes straight into the batch tank to fill it up like that. So anyway, back onto the back of the back to the back of the trailer or the truck. This over here is to clean out downspouts or underground downspouts for gutters. And then I have, of course, my long wand that needs to be upgraded. I have this bucket here just so I can, this is mainly for just flushing out the downstream injector after each job. And then I have my short nozzle here with a three banger, I guess you could say, a pressure, shooter tip, and a soap and rinse tip. And guys, if you guys do any roof cleaning, I would highly suggest this right here. Gutter bags, you can get them off of Amazon. They're 6 inches wide. They work extremely well, and customers are very, very happy with this. My last roof wash I did, I was told that not a lot of companies use those, and it's very professional of me, and you know, the customer really liked it. So these are my work boots, not that you guys care. And walking over to the other side, all I keep over here, guys, is just a pump up sprayer for SH and a Bark, and I have one for degreaser, but it's not in here at the moment. I have this pump, hand pump, if I need it, just to fill up the pump up sprayer. Sometimes I will mix surfactant and bleach into this if I need to dilute it. I've been doing it that way through my 5-gallon tank, and I got that from Tractor Supply. And back here I have extra yard signs, and of course everybody needs a toolbox. So back here, guys, I just got tools, seal tape, trash bags for cleaning gutters, some plastic coverings, I guess you could say, to cover like Easy Breeze windows and such. And back here I have, you know, quick connects, quick connects and stuff. So everything I need in case something breaks down, and it absolutely does, even on a good day. So that's it for the outside. Now let's just move into the inside of the truck really fast. I know I showed this on a previous video, but if you guys haven't seen it, and of course it's locked, so right back around again. Excuse my dirty vehicle. I definitely need to clean the interior. As you guys can see, I work a lot. So definitely would get one of these off of Amazon. It just helps me stay organized with all of my quote sheets and stuff. And if you guys are looking to get quote forms, I have these. The link is in the description. Very simple to use, very easy. And on the back it has the terms and conditions. As far as the quote forms, it's for selling packages and, you know, upselling your services and such. And back there I got more signs and more door hangers and stuff. So anyway, guys, that is it. That is all I have for you guys today. If you would give me a favor and like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments. Thanks.